Uy, wala na record, oy.
Wala mi yun?
Show ko yung mangka. Guys, we're here in Puhoi Valley. We're doing kayaking today. So from Puhoi, we're going to Wenderholm Park, and then someone will pick up us there later on. So we have the, what do you call this one, Naga? Double kayak at the moment. It's our first time to do this one, and we're enjoying it. So I think we're getting the hang of it now. What can you say, Ruel?
First time to do kayaking. It's quite scary. It's really an exercise, guys. It's really tiring. Always doing the paddling as well. But they said there's a proper way of holding the, what do you call this one? Paddle, so that you'll not injure your wrist. Right? Yep.
Yeah. So if you wanna go for an adventure and also enjoy the scenery and have some exercise, it's a very good experience. So try kayaking. Good thing there's no snake and crocodile here. If I see this kind of water, all I can think of is anaconda and crocodile. But good thing here in New Zealand there's no snakes, there's no crocodile. So we're pretty safe. Right?
50% chance of dying.
Only if we're tanga. Tanga means
Dumb?
dumb. Sulit, guys, sulit.
There. I think I can see the thing.
Ah, yeah.
Hmm.
The white bridge.